Hey everyone, Paul here. Today I want to share something that's genuinely exciting. A breakthrough that solves one of enterprise AI's biggest challenges. How do you get powerful AI capabilities without your data ever leaving your infrastructure? So what's the problem? Here's the dilemma. Companies want ChatGPT-like natural language querying for their graph databases, but for regulated industries, financial, services, healthcare, government, sending queries to cloud-based LLMs means exposing sensitive data, schema information, and business logic to external servers. Plus, those cloud LLMs can be slow, taking up to 2 to 5 seconds per query. And they're expensive too, both financially and environmentally. So what's the solution? Enter small language models, or SLMs. Rocketgraph, Distil Labs, and IBM have just announced a game-changing solution using a fine-tuned Granite 3.3 8 billion model. Here's what makes this special. 1. It runs entirely on your IBM Power hardware, behind your firewall, under your control. 2. It's 10 times faster. We're talking sub 200 millisecond query translation versus multiple seconds. 3. It uses 100 times less energy than cloud-based LLMs. And 4, it achieves 85% of Claude 4's performance for this specific task, translating natural language into Rocketgraph's open cipher queries. These 4 pillars represent the core value proposition of this solution. Complete data sovereignty means your data never leaves your infrastructure. The speed improvement is transformational. 10 times faster means real-time analytics become viable. The energy efficiency supports sustainable goals, and the performance matches large language models for this specialised task. So how does it work? The secret? Specialisation. This SLM is trained on public documentation and synthetic data, no customer information. It does one thing brilliantly, converting your plain English questions into precise cipher queries for graph analytics. So a fraud analyst can simply ask, show me all translations over $10,000 involving accounts opened in the last 30 days connected to flag entities, and get instant accurate results, all without any data leaving their environment. So what about performance? The numbers tell the story. Our SLM translates queries in under 200 milliseconds running on IBM Power hardware. Compare that to 2 to 5 seconds for cloud-based LLMs, including network overhead. For teams running hundreds of queries per hour, this speed difference is transformational. So why does it matter? This is the future of enterprise AI. You don't need massive models in distant data centers. You need specialized, efficient SLMs running on your infrastructure. Complete data sovereignty, compliance teams happy, faster performance, lower costs, sustainable AI. For organizations running graph analytics on IBM Power, this changes everything. So what's the technology stack look like? This collaboration brings together 3 industry leaders. Rocketgraph provides the graph-native analytics platform with open cipher querying. Distil Labs brings knowledge distillation expertise enabling specialized SLM deployment. And IBM provides enterprise-grade infrastructure with a Granite 3.3 8 billion model. Together, they prove that enterprises can adopt AI without compromising security, speed, or sustainability. So how do you get started? For Rocketgraph customers on IBM Power hardware, deploying your own SLM is straightforward. It runs on your existing infrastructure with no external dependencies on API keys required. You get seamless integration with full support from the combined teams. I've linked the full technical article in the description below. It's a fantastic read from Distil Labs with all the details on how they built this. For everyone else, just contact me and I will get you connected with people to help you. Huge thanks to the teams at Rocketgraph, Distil Labs and IBM for making this real. So what do you think? Drop a comment below, and if you're working with graph analytics or IBM Power systems, I'd love to hear your thoughts on where this technology could go next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.